Well, I've taught preparedness for about a decade now, and really coming from study and practice in life, but also living in countries that had some very challenging infrastructure problems. What we now call prepping was just a way of life there. Applying those lessons to modern challenges here was kind of a no-brainer. The Prepping 101 class distills this into practical and mostly inexpensive ways to prepare for emergencies and disruptions. We cover traditional techniques used for generations and then apply FEMA and Red Cross guidelines and some current innovations and stuff. Again, all in a practical and no stress way. Prepping can be stressful, it's an online rabbit hole, and I don't think it has to be. There are simple things that work. There's things that need to be considered for sure, and there's simple techniques to address these things, and that's my approach to the prepping class. Prepping 101 at the Arizona Hiking Shack, hikingshack.com.